So with the forklift, via Mobile360 Forklift safety system, our aim in designing this system has been to help you rise to that challenge. So with the forklift safety system, our goal is to provide a complete solution. We're not just providing a box, we're also providing the cameras, we're also providing the software, and we're also going to be providing the cloud as well to bring it all together. The key features of it are, first of all, smart people detection. Our primary goal with this device is to prevent pedestrian accidents I just talked about. Second thing is to make life easier for the driver with the driver safety system. Third is to give the driver a much clearer view of what is happening around their vehicle. When they're reversing, for example, it can be difficult a lot of blind spots can occur. Also want to make it smart and easy to install and operate. And finally, to tie all the data together with a smart cloud management system. This is an overview of product roadmap. We have a basic system. We have two lines now. One we call 2PD plus DSS. That's probably not the easiest thing to remember. And then we also have the 3PD package as well. Now 2PD plus DSS, what that is 2 front and rear cameras, 4 people detection, plus a driver camera for distraction, fatigue, smoking and smartphone usage. Now we divide these into different packages. A lot of customers simply want an audio alert, so they don't need the screen. So that's the basic package with system plus 3 cameras. Then we have the Vision package, which adds in a screen. Then finally we have the Vision Plus, where we're adding in additional speed sensors and also rear light reversing sensors as well. So our goal here is to provide a complete package for customers with different sets of configuration to meet different needs of the market. In addition to that, we support both electric vehicles and also combustion engine vehicles as well. And finally then, we are building the WorkX Connect Cloud to capture all the data, which we'll talk about in a minute. So here's a closer look at the pedestrian detection options. With the 2PD configuration, it's that you have the front and rear cameras, and you can adjust the sensitivity using the smartphone app we ship with the system to meet your specific requirements. So from 60 to 90 to 120 degrees, both front and rear. The 3PD provides 270 degree coverage behind the vehicle. Now, we developed that in line with a lot of customer requirements asking for that because they feel that is the most critical part and they prefer that rather than having the front view. Now, both of these support the 4 to 5 meter detection range. And within that range, you can configure 2 zones and, for example, set different audio alerts when somebody steps within 5 meters. Then you have one alert, but then if they come closer, then there'll be a louder alert to make sure that the driver takes action.